Hello everyone, welcome back. I have another free preset to give away. It'll be in the description below. This one's a paper edge effect. You have that in DaVinci, but I took it a step farther, made a preset with much more options. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. That's why it's up on the screen. Okay, to see the box, it's like this little drop-down arrow and fusion overlay. If you look close, you'll see a little rectangle inside of a rectangle. I'll demonstrate in a moment. I'm going to fill it up with some text. And set the size accordingly. This is the type text box. So you can change that a little bit if you want. And you can toggle it back off. Corner radius. Group size and positioning, center XY. I'm not going to play with all these. Edge color. Edge saturation. Texture seed. And you can change the edge. And you can also use it on 16 by 9 or vertical, either one. And again, you have the same thing. I will show you how to save it as a PNG picture as well. We'll turn track 1 off. So I have transparent edges. Go to Fusion. You'll see the edges are transparent. Just right click on it. Save image. Give it a name. And select PNG. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.